Welcome to the personal property tour for apartment 8, St Michael's Church in Westport in Cupar. This is a 2-bedroom upper apartment with private parking, really spacious, finished to a great standard, literally move-in condition, and it's in the heart of Cupar. What more could you ask for? I'm just going to flip the camera and So this is the entrance hallway to the apartment. So as you can see, number 8 straight ahead, and I'll take you in and on the tour. So this is a converted church. It's a beautiful building. We've got many original features within the property as well, which I think is great. So you come into the inner hallway, so quite a spacious inner hallway, as you'll see. It also goes further along here. The bonus with this is you've got lots of storage. So you've got a double storage cupboard here, which is fantastic. And then again, at the other side of the hallway, you have another storage cupboard here, which is substantial in size as well. So lots of great space. Then we go into the master bedroom and you'll straight away see those features, that window. It's beautiful. So it's great that they've actually kept some of that original, but it's a lovely sized room. It's a good sized double, as you can see. I'll just take you so you can see it from another angle. Look how thick the walls are. The window is really gorgeous. It's a great space. It's a lovely sized room. So you can see comfortably fitting a double in here. And the bonus, straight ahead, you have an ensuite shower room as well. So again, as soon as you open up, you can see it's quite spacious. So you've got your vanity wash hand basin, your double WC, and your shower enclosure. And you have your rainfall shower head and thermostatic control. So plenty of space there. Then we go out back into the hallway. And then off the hallway, we go into what is bedroom number 2. So again, another good sized double room. You've got this lovely quirky window as well. It's a good sized double again. You can actually make lovely window seats here. And you've got some nice countryside views as well. Considering you're in the heart of town, that's quite a bonus, isn't it? But again, as you see, it's a good sized double room. Then we go back into the hallway. And then again, off the hallway, you also have the family bathroom. So straight ahead, you can see the family bathroom. So again, partially wet walled. You have your WC, your vanity wash hand basin, and your bath. So it's a good sized room. So nothing really to be doing in there. It's finished to a great standard. So back out into the hallway. And then off the hallway, we go into the open plan living area. So we come straight into the kitchen dining area of the open plan, as you can see. Again, you've got these beautiful windows, the original features, really high ceilings in here as well. You've got the cornicing and you've got the living space. So if I take you over here, you can get a feel for the size of the open plan area. This is your living element of it. Your dining table, as you've seen, and then your kitchen area as well. And again, give you an idea of the windows. It's a lovely big window. It's nice and bright actually. Again, you've got this really deep sill and great views. Into the kitchen area. So you have your integrated appliances. So you've got your oven, your hob, your extractor above. And the bonus here as well is you actually have an integrated fridge and freezer. And I love these, the pull-out larders. So lots of space in here. So it's a great sized room. So this is the personal property tour for number 8, apartment 8, St Michael's Church in Westport in Cupar. It's a 2-bedroom upper apartment with off-street parking in the heart of town. You're close to all amenities. You've got the cafes, the restaurants, the bars. Ultimately, the best part, you're right by the train station as well. So you've got Cupar train station taking you up Dundee and Forth, and also across to Edinburgh and beyond. This is on the market with ourselves. It offers over £150,000. If this one's of interest to you, feel free to message me directly. Alternatively, you can contact the team on 01334 654 221. Town living, beautiful apartment. Why not? It's Perry, 5 Properties to be. Take care. Bye-bye.